Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get gems in Idle Gold Empire, covering all methods, both free and paid, so you know exactly how to stack them efficiently. So let's dive in. First up, the easiest free method is by watching ads. Idle Gold Empire regularly offers optional ads that reward you with gems directly or give you boosts that help you earn them faster. Anytime you see a free reward, gems ad, or bonus pop up, make sure to claim it. The amount may seem small at first, but over time they really add up. Next, you want to complete quests, missions, or tasks, if you will. As you progress through objectives and milestones, the game often rewards you with gems alongside other resources. Playing steadily and clearing tasks at the top of the screen right over here is one of the most reliable long-term ways to earn gems without spending money. Another important source is daily login rewards and special events. Just by logging in every day, you can give you free gems, and on top of that, limited time events frequently include premium currency as rewards, even if you only pay for a short session. Consistent logins are absolutely worth it. You should also keep an eye out for redeem codes. When available, developers sometimes release codes that grant free rewards like gems. Always check the in-game code section or community announcements to see if any active codes are available. Finally, there's the paid option, just the one that I showed you. If you want the fastest way to get a large amount of gems instantly, you can purchase gems back from the in-game store. This is completely optional, but it's the quickest method if you want to speed things up. And before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always claim free ads, complete your tasks, and stay consistent with daily logins. That's the best way to stack gems over time without spending real money. That's about it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!